Managerial economics refers to the integration of economic theory with business practices with the aim of enhancing decision making and strategic planning capabilities among managers. Explain this statement with suitable examples. Refers to the application of economic theory and analytical tools to solve business problems and improves managerial decision making. It integrates macroeconomic theory and macroeconomic concept, quantitative techniques with practical business decisions such as pricing, production, cost control, and investment planning. Thus, helps manager make rational and strategic decisions under conditions of risk and uncertainty. Statement means that managerial economics connects economic principles like demand, supply, elasticity, cost analysis, and profit maximization with real world business practices to improve decision making, resource allocation, strategic planning, profit management. Managers use economic tools to analyze market conditions and select the best alternative among available choices. Suppose a company wants to fix the price of its product using demand analysis and price elasticity. The manager can determine how much quantity will be sold at different price levels, whether customers are price sensitive. The profit maximizing price. For example, if demand is highly elastic, the firm may reduce price to increase total revenue. If demand is inelastic, it may charge a higher price. Thus, economic theory helps managers take practical decision, pricing decision. Conclusion. Managerial economics bridges the gap between theory and practice. By applying economic concept to business problems, it enhances managerial decision making and strategic planning, leading to efficient resource utilization and higher profitability.